Movember het 'n doel om die stigma te verbreek, die gesprek te begin en uiteindelik vroeë kankeropsporing, diagnose en effektiewe behandelings te verhoog en sodoende die aantal voorkombare sterftes as gevolg van prostaat sowel as testikulêre kanker te verminder. Prostaatkanker is die groei van selle wat in die prostaat begin. En die prostaat is 'n klein klier wat help om semen te vervaardig en is net onder die blaas geleë. En die prostaat is ook deel van die manlike voortplantingsstelsel. Prostaatkanker is een van die mees algemene tipe kankers, word gewoonlik vroeg gevind en dit groei dikwels stadig. Die meeste mense met prostaatkanker word genees. Mense wat met vroeë prostaatkanker gediagnoseer word, het dikwels baie behandelingsopsies om te oorweeg en dit kan oorweldigend voel om oor al hierdie opsies te leer en om 'n keuse te maak. Behandelings kan chirurgie, bestralingsterapie of die noukeurige dophou van die prostaatkanker insluit om te sien of dit groei of versprei. As die kanker verder as die prostaat groei of as dit versprei het, is daar steeds egter baie behandelingsopsies. Prostaatkanker wat versprei kan moeiliker wees om te genees, maar selfs wanneer 'n genesing nie moontlik is nie, kan behandelings die groei van die kanker vertraag en jou help om langer te leef.
1994, a group of Namibians saw a need for a grassroots Namibian medical aid fund. The Prosperity Medical Aid Fund was born right here, among the hard-working fishermen and shipworkers of Walvish Bay. In 2001, in order to establish a fund focused on its members that put their health first, the fund formed its own identity away from its administrators, Prosperity Health. It was named Renaissance Health as a symbol for the renewal of medical funding in Namibia, a transformation in health. Renaissance members voted for their first board of trustees who would carry the fund forward for all Namibians. By 2010, Renaissance had members across the entire Namibia, a fund founded by Namibians for Namibians to ensure access to quality healthcare. In 2020, RMA was put to the test with COVID-19, supplying life-saving oxygen machines door-to-door to members when our Namibian hospitals were full, saving many of its members' lives. RMA is not just a medical aid fund, it's a partner in health for its members, whether through our chronic compliance programs or yearly wellness checkups. RMA was started by you. It belongs to you. A proudly Namibian first medical aid fund providing the best in care for all Namibians. Renaissance Health Medical Aid Fund, serving Namibia since 1994. RMA. Your health comes first.